Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel ERPZEN. In today's video, you will see customer refund. How many types of customer refunds are there? There are two types of customer refunds. One is credit memo refund and the other one is receipt refund. In this video, we will discuss about receipt refund. For that, we need to set some setups, configurations, approval limits. Click on your username. Click on setup and maintenance. Now search for the task called approval limits. Click on search. Click on manage approval limits. Here you can search with your username ERPZEN. Click on search. Here you can see refund, adjustment and write off. We have set the approval activities, approval amounts. And now if you are clicking on add row and if you want to set the approval limits for your user, system will not allow you. Now search for ERPZEN. System will not allow you. You can't create or update your own approval limits. So you have to log in with other user and set approval limits. Now we'll create a receipt. Click on receivables. Click on accounts receivable. Click on task list. Now click on create receipt. Select your business unit. Select your receipt method. What is the receipt number? Say 4521. And how much amount? Say, let's say $300. Against which customer you want to create this receipt? Our customer is Apex. Click on OK. Select your customer site, Apex Plaza. Now click on submit and apply manually. Now click on save. Click on actions. Click on more. Click on issue refund. Now since you have set the approval limits, system is showing the screen. Otherwise, system will not allow you to create a refund. Now select the customer site. What is the refund amount? You can refund full amount or you can short pay the amount. Say short pay is nothing but the amount is 300 USD. You can pay 150 or 100 or 200 also. Now what is the refund payment method? With which payment method you want to pay? Let's go with check. Now click on OK. Yeah. Click on save. Yeah. Now this is the payables invoice number. Copy this invoice number. Now if you click on this application reference, this is the payables invoice. You can see the business unit, the legal entity, supplier party, invoice amount, and you can see the invoice as payment request as well. And what is the line amount, what is the header amount and all. Now click on done. Now we'll see how it looks in the payables module. Go to payables. Click on invoices. Now this is the invoice 1028121. See, you can see business unit. It is not the supplier, it is the party, and there will be no supplier site and party site as well, and against which legal entity. And you can see the invoice type as payment request. We cannot see while you are creating invoices, you can only see standard invoice, debit memo, credit memo and all. If you click on lines, you can see what is the line and what is the distribution as well. Yeah, this is the distribution. There is no variance, and system is automatically validated this invoice. And if you process the payment for this invoice, then you can pay your customer. Now click on save and close. Click on home. I hope you liked this video. If you like the video, please hit like, share and subscribe to our channel ERPZEN for more Oracle Fusion tutorials. Drop your questions in the comment sections. Until then, see you in the next video. Thank you. Thank you very much.